Magandang hapon po ng June 23, 2026 Tuesday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng June 23, 2026 Tuesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral na mabasan para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong Tuesday, June 23, 2026. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. 'See you again later' for 9 PM draw result of Ultra Lotto 658, Super Lotto 649, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for June 23, 2026 Tuesday. Here is the today's jackpot estimates of Ultra Lotto 658, Super Lotto 649, and Lotto 642 for Tuesday, June 23, 2026. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for June 23, 2026, Tuesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.